Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam Infrared Night Vision. Dual Channel 1080p front and inside. 2.5K single front car accident dash camera. 24 hours motion sensor parking mode. Support to 156GB max. Dual lens 1080p car camera. Best dual dash cam for Uber, Rideshare, Lyft drivers. Picked by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, etc. The front and inside camera simultaneously capture the road front 170 and inside passenger cabin 140 in crystal details at dual 1920 by 1080p 30 fps, which is a great option for rideshare drivers that will need photographic evidence in the event some rowdy passengers do damage to their car. Single front to 0.5K, one for OP dash cam. When recording in front-only mode, footage is captured at a 2.5K, 2560 by 1 for OP at 30 fps, which enables clear license plates, road signs. Or you can switch to 1920 by 1080p at 60 fps mode with smoother videos for high-speed traffic. Infrared night vision. The interior-facing camera utilizes for IR LED lights and f/.0 aperture, which can handle low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. f/1.86 glass. Lens front-facing cam and unique HDR video. System automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video. 24 hours parking mode in auto. LCD OFF 24 hours. Motion-activated parking mode makes the dual car camera to automatically record when it detects motion. Auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD OFF timer. Ensure you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. Ideal for most climates, -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 70 degrees Celsius. Excellent audio recording with built-in microphone. Time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specified intervals. Looping recording and G-sensor and optional GPS. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Variable sensitivity G-sensor auto. Detects sudden shake, collision and emergency locks the footage to event file to prevent that video from an overwrite. Supports up to 256GB micros cards. Recommend Vantrue micros card. Optional GPS to track the driving route, location and speed to use GPS function. Please buy an extra GPS mount. Total peace of mind with 18 meters warranty. Full 18 meters warranty. Email replies with INTA for H and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Payless Auto Insurance, your witness for accidents and insurance claims. Free GPS player with a zoom-in function offers high-resolution images that effectively capture license plate details. Easy to install and use. Perfect dual-lens dash cam for Uber, taxis, rideshare, Lyft drivers, commuters, and families. Works with 12 volts and 24 volts vehicles.